everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family, so hit that subscribe button below and make sure to turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time we post a new video. Today we will be showing you how to put together some wedding centerpieces. We have 3 projects, so if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, continue to keep watching and let's get into making these centerpieces. For this project, you will need a medium vase or candle holder of your choice, styrofoam moss, regular moss, wire cutters, a glue gun, a bunch of different types of flowers of your choice, and a brooch. We're going to start by gluing both of the moss together to create height for the flowers. All the materials will be listed in the description bar below this video. We hauled this candle holder some months back, so you may not find this particular candle holder, but you can find candle holders in this type of style, and you can find them at places like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, and even Ross. Although the candle holder is beautiful by itself, we just wanted to add a little more embroidery onto the candle holder to give it a little more character. We've had these flowers for a while now. We've picked them up from Michael's, JoAnn's, Walmart, and the Dollar Tree, and that's what we are using today. But you can use whatever type of flowers you choose to use. If you want to just do it all from the Dollar Tree, that works too. Or if you want to just kind of mix your flowers, that'll work as well. this next project, you will need one small vase of your choice, one bunch of roses or flowers of your choice, styrofoam moss, regular moss, one brooch, two small brooches and two sticks, and also a glue gun. We were going to use the Mr. and Mrs. brooch, but we decided not to, so you won't be seeing this brooch in this arrangement. Using these bamboo skewers is a great way to add bling to your arrangement. You want to make sure you cover your bamboo skewer so you can have a more finished and polished look. The moss can get very messy because it is pliable and it is breakable, but if you don't like the styrofoam moss, you can use the regular styrofoam for this part. This part is optional. We normally make our own bouquet of roses, but we decided to pick some up from Michael's because they was having such a great sale. But you can also pick up your roses at the Dollar Tree and make a bouquet of roses, and they turn out just as nice. Once you have placed the roses into your vase, you want to play around with it till you get it to your desire. This part is optional. If you're not a fan of moss, you can skip this part. Apologize for lost footage. Just apply the brooch or any embellishment of your choice to the front of your vase. And for this last project, you will need a tiny vase of your choice, a bouquet of roses or flowers from the Dollar Tree, ribbon, scissors, and a brooch. We want the bouquet of roses to look nice in this vase, so we are trimming down the stems. We are using the vase to measure the ribbon. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.